It's a fantastic map, and this is what this whole course is based on, and we're going to go through it step by step.
So this is very confusing to people who are just getting started in the world of SIBO, because we're used to, here's an antibiotic, it has a magical transformation on you, and you are done.
Right, you're done in 5 days, you're done in 2 weeks.
Exactly.
The symptoms you had are gone.
That's not what this is.
Not to be expected from SIBO. This is a different condition. Every condition has its own set of rules and criteria. There's 3 layers we can deal with. There's the symptoms at the top. There's the bacterial level itself, the SIBO. And then there's the underlying cause.
We're going to talk right now about the diets and the aspect of how that impacts SIBO. There are 6 major prokinetics, so let's go through each one of those.
Yeah, so the timing of this is important in that you've just done your treatment. You need to now start a prokinetic. At least that's my strong suggestion. So if you're not better, you definitely want to retest, because you need to know what's going on. If a person is better, they're better, we move on. What do we move on to? Preventative measures to try and make sure you don't relapse.
So as we travel down the roadmap, there is that area that's called relapse.
Yeah,
what do we do?
when you were all better and
Right.
you've moved on to prevention, you go back and treat it.
Okay.
So you go back around up to the part where there's the treatments, you pick from those treatments again.
Work the roadmap, work the plan.
Work it through.
I mean, that's obvious,
It's
but
what I do as a doctor. I work it through. The best success you'll have is if you're methodical. If you're not a methodical type of person, I'm sorry, but the best success you'll have is to be methodical. Work it through. Yeah, I think our final message is
yeah,
don't give up.
don't give up. Please don't give up.